But welcome back. Let's look at problems that involve double and compound angles. Also, you need to remember other concepts that we dealt with in trigonometry, like the core functions or core ratios, reduction formula, angles in the Cartesian plane, special angles, and all the other concepts that we have dealt with before, even in the previous grades. Right, simplify the following without using a calculator. Right, let's look at the numerator here. What concept do you see here? Let's look at the denominator. What concept do you see there? Okay, like if I look at the numerator, I remember that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Remember, this is coming from what? Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Okay, then from this we can make cos squared theta the subject, right? So it means this will be equivalent to what? To cos squared 60. And then the denominator, I can see the double angle formula there. So remember that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Okay, in this case our theta is 30. So it means 2 cos squared 30 minus 1 is the same as cos 2 times 30 degrees. Okay, right, let's just do that. We say this reduces to cos squared 60. So cos squared 60, which is this, cos squared 60 degrees. And then the double angle here is going to be cos 2 times 30 degrees. Okay, which is cos squared 60 degrees divided by cos 60 degrees. And then what do you get? We get cos 60 degrees. Then this is a special angle. It gives us 1 over 2.